Alright, y'all, so here are the final, well, this is dry. This is the final piece of the puzzle, I guess you would say. I, took a chance, wanted to try something that I never tried before, and for the most part, I like it. But I do have some issues that I think I would love to be able to do it again and resolve, but I think I'm spending way too much time on trying to make these paintings, especially for my my dining room. So I'm gonna try this again, but I'm gonna try it on different paintings. So let's go into it. This one, and I chose them vertically. This one is not my favorite. It's cool, but I wanted it to be a little bit more like the other. And then right here, I don't know if you can see it very well, but you see that circle right there? That's where my torch kind of flared up and burnt the canvas, and I was not very happy with that at all. I don't know what's going on with my torch. I got to figure that out. And this one is way more of what I actually wanted out of this. Now, my biggest problem with this one is there's not enough white, and the white came out on this side. And also this color at the bottom is what I really wanted to be more pronounced, but because I did a dirty cut pour, it didn't come out as well as I would have liked. It is, I think the painting that I did with the leftover paint, the Wrecker ring, I did multi-rings, and in between the rings I did that as a solid color, and I think it works out a whole lot better for me, and I would probably do that as like multiple dirty cups with the solid color in between, or maybe even the solid color and the white in between. But it's all a learning process. Overall, I like the one on the right a little bit better than I like the one on the left. These are dry, but they have not been varnished. But these are going up in my dining room, and whenever I get back around to it, I think I'm going to try this again. And of course, like you can see from the video, I did not have enough paint, so I'm going to make a whole bunch more paint, try to use a lot more white, and try to do multiple cups with solid colors in between, either solid colors or white in between, because I liked a little bit more of the white that's over here. So do the things, like, share, subscribe. I'm going to varnish these and put these up in my dining room. Peace out, y'all. Hey y'all, this was my first attempt at a Wrecker ring, and also I think it's my first attempt at a multi-ring pour, and I really like this quite a bit. When I made this with the leftover paint from the previous pour, and I realized that I probably should have did something a little bit closer to this when it came to making that painting. I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna do, some more things with different colors, because I think I've wasted a little bit too much making these paintings for my dining room. In fact, I have no idea where I'm going to put this in my dining room because of the previous 4 that I've already made. But I really like it, and for some reason this painting, even before varnishing, is more glossy than the others. I'm not sure what the difference is. I love the solid color piece in the middle. The solid color is what I wanted more pronounced in the other paintings, but because I did just straight dirty cups, it didn't actually come out as clean as I would have liked. So I really like that, and I think I'm going to try a little bit more of these. I finally put the different types of paintings in playlists, and I realized I didn't really have a whole bunch of rings, and I definitely don't have very many swipes. So I'm probably going to try to do some of that just so I can have more varied content on the channel. but I really like this. I really like this. I just don't think, I just don't know where in the world I'm gonna put this, but I'll figure it out. So do things like, share, subscribe. I'm going to be doing a Patreon soon, but that's going to be a Patreon all-encompassing for this, my podcast and the podcast YouTube channel. I'm just going to try to do it all in one place so that if you want to support, you can support everything, and there's going to be giveaways and all kinds of stuff on the Patreon. So, yeah, do things. It's your boy. Holla.